Hello there. In this video I would like to talk about patterns. It is one of the 4 things that I feel you most should have with you when doing a project. Patterns can be printed or digital. Digital patterns come in printable or video, like this one here. And I have patterns for doilies, faceted bead art, and 3D. My doilies, I have patterns at my Etsy shop. I have patterns on Pinterest, and I have videos here on YouTube. My faceted bead art, I have patterns on Pinterest, and I have videos here on YouTube. And my 3D, I primarily have videos here on YouTube. This project here is a 3D project. First, I'd like to show you, here are some doilies that I've created from patterns that I've done. And here are a couple of faceted bead art. These ones are practice patterns that I have videos up for that you can create. And then for 3D, I have my candy canes, and I also have others like the cube. And this piece is going to be for a cube, but it's going to be for a folding cube. Example here, a folding cube. This one that I am creating or putting the video up for is for 4 seasons. And here are the facings that I am planning. We have spring, summer, fall, winter. And then we have the front and back, which there are 2 fronts and backs. And the way that I'm going to be having you create this folding cube is we're going to do 1 cube at a time, and this piece is for this cube facing of the cube. Then we will do this one in the next set, and I'll show you how to sew them together. Then this one, and we'll sew those together. Then this one, and we'll sew. Then this one, and we'll sew. Then this one, and I'll show you how to finish off the cube completely. Then once we've done the second cube, I will give you instructions for starting to sew your cubes together for the folding cube. I design all of my patterns using my plastic faceted beads, but with the folding cubes I find I like to make them with the seed beads, so I will be showing you the seed beads that I will also be using in correspondence to the faceted beads that I have chosen in the design. If you have any questions whatsoever, I hope that you will post them so that I can either give you instructions verbally or create a video that might help you figure out wherever you might be getting stuck. So please post any questions, and I hope that you will be able to join me in creating this folding cube, and I hope you enjoy.